This critter right here is known as the Costa Rican variable Harlequin toad, also known as the clown frog. It is a small neotropical true toad in the family of Bufonidae. It is a diurnal frog often found in and around rocks and low-lying vegetation along streams, throughout humid lowland, as well as montane forests, where it feeds upon various insects and arthropods. It is a primarily terrestrial species, only really entering the water during the breeding season, and thus relies on the spray from streams as well as frequent mists and rainfall for moisture. The Costa Rican variable harlequin toad is a small 1 to 1.5 inch long, slim bodied, pointy snouted toad of highly variable coloration. The dorsal color is usually black or brown, overlaid with a mosaic of spots and streaks that can be of almost any combination of orange, red, yellow, blue, or green. The belly is marbled with white, yellow, orange, and/or red. This aposematic coloration likely serves as a warning to potential predators of the toxicity of the frog's integument, which contains tetrodotoxin, a potent neurotoxin, and thus the only known consistent predator of this amphibian are parasitic sclerophagid flies. Mating occurs primarily along streams and other sources of moving water, during which time the female will deposit 30 to 75 eggs in long strings throughout shallow water as the male fertilizes them. The eggs hatch within 36 hours, and the tadpoles have a flattened body and abdominal sucker, which helps keep them from being swept away in the current. These amphibians can live up to 10 or more years under ideal conditions. Once ranging throughout Central America, recent variation in air temperature, precipitation, stream flow patterns, and subsequent spread of the pathogenic citrid fungus linked to the global climate change have resulted in the population of this species dramatically plummeting in the past 20 years. Today, the Costa Rican variable harlequin toad is now listed as a critically endangered species with wild populations only existing near Chiapas, Costa Rica, and a few isolated pockets throughout western Panama.